Good morning, everybody. How are you? I think you are fine. So today onwards, again I'll do the revision from your grammar section. So today, the capital letters, I will give the revision, and also at the same time, I will do how the MCQ question will come. Okay. From that grammar means that not only the capital letter, from that any problem if you are having now also you can tell me. Besides that, I will do chapter number 14, in, on, under, near. So if you want, you can write, or if you don't want, you can answer me. So please look at the board. Grammar, no, only grammar book today. Okay, next day English text. So today, please grammar I will just revise. Number 1, fill in the blanks. With prepositions. Number 1, whatever I am giving the option. Pencil is dash the bag. So if I am telling number 1 up, number 2 down, number 3 in. So please do it. Vision, no beta. No exam for vision, because vision actually we are doing for that whenever the school was going on, that time we are taking the class test. Now only for reading story, you can read the story. Only give the test for this main subject. Okay? Yes, in. Number 2, if I am telling that his belt dash the, his belt is dash the table. Number 1, between. Number 2, on. Number 3, above. So please tell that. Obhirup has answered that. Now please answer that. Yes, everybody, good morning. Please answer that. This is, I'm just telling his belt is dash the table. Between, on or above. Whatever, on the table. Yes, very good. Number 3, if I'm telling that Shita, actually between I am not telling that. Besides that, between means I am telling two things. If I am telling that between, here I can see, I can show you by this drawing that if I am telling the position of two things, that time one thing between two things. That's why I can tell the between. Here, another things under we can give that Shita sits dash the tree. Number 1, on. If I am not telling that on, above. Number 2, over. Number 3, under. So obviously, you did not read the above and over. So you have read the under. So you can only answer the under. Whatever you have read, that time answer will be there. So here under is there. You have to tick it under. Okay? So here another prepositions I am telling that number 4. Number 4, she is sitting dash the window. Dash the window. She is sitting dash the window. Which one you can tell that? If I am telling in, number tell on, number 3 near. So in and on we cannot tell. So we have to answer it near the window. Okay? Number 4. Then we can go to the here prepositions near, in, on, under. Again I am telling that how we are telling in, here, in. On means something is touched on. Under, you know that here under. And here, that is if I am telling that near. Okay. So these 4 prepositions, please read only 4 from your exam. This 4 preposition will be coming. No other preposition. So please, that is enough. And you have to think, and again I am telling you, please do by yourself. Okay? Don't, it will be, exams question will be very easy. Don't take help from your parents. Okay? Whatever you can do, because this is very easy, and also it is MCQ. Next time you will not get this type of MCQ. You have to write the question answer also. Obviously, we will help to read, but most of the children, I know that class 1, they are very, very good. So you can do by yourself. And those who cannot read sometimes the question paper, sometimes mobile problem or computer problems, obviously you should take help from your parents. Okay? But answer you should do by yourself. So next chapter we will go to that capital letter, not chapter number 14. Capital letter where we can use. Capital letter, I told you, the first letter of the sentences. First letter of the every sentences. So if I am telling that, put the, which one is right? Obviously, these things will be coming. Which one is right? Number 1, if I am telling that Monday. Number 2, Holi. Number 3, Ganga. Number 4, July. So I told you the capital letter, please remember these things. First letter of the day. Okay, Holi, obviously it is very good. So Holi is the name of the festival. So here we can tick it. So name of the festivals, name of the day, name of the month, name of the river, and also name of the river, name of the festivals, name of the places, name of the pets, and first letter of the sentences. So name of the book also, Holi. This answer is Holi. Again I can give you one sentence, I can give you. So if I am telling here my or Mr. Here I am writing the small letters. Mr. Roy is an artist. So if I am telling which one is right, So number A, Mr. Roy. Number 2, Mr. Roy. Number 3, Mr. Roy. So which one is correct? You know that. So please answer it. So like this type of questions will come in your syllabus in your exam. Yes, Mr. Roy. Because Mr. Roy, here these two are capital. So this one is correct. And also name of the place I can give you. Here name of the place, name of the school name of the town, name of the name of your house, name of the school, name of the places, any places. That also will be the capital letter. So here, first one capital letter I am just telling like this. Second one, we can give some MCQ from that doing words. Number 1, please, which one is fill in the blanks? You can do that. Joe dash the shoes. Number 1, mend. Number 2, mends. Number 3, mending. So please tell this. Oh, next week I think you will get the routine. Okay. I think first week of the March exam will be held. So please look out that our website, school website, the routine will be given. Okay, madam? Though you are doing the class every day. And so I think you won't have any problem. Now, whenever you will doing the class, that time some notification will be coming. You know that. Not me and Rodrija, because Joe is third person singular number. Joe third person. So, mends. Yes, okay. Mends. I told you, doing words, whenever singular number is there, S or ES will be adding, will be added. So here, Joe mends. Number 2, again another fill in the blanks. Mr. and Mrs. Sinha dash vegetables in the garden. So number 1, we can do this. Number 1, here grow. Number 2, grows. Number 3, growing. And number 4, grew. Grew I am not giving. Okay, only grow, grows and growing. Please just whenever you are here, grow, because you should know, you should read the sentence. Mr. and Mrs. Sinha. 2 people here. So that's a plural. So here grow. So whenever you are reading the sentence, please not grows beta Obronil, that is grow, because there's 2 people. So that is plural number. So vegetable in the garden. Mr. and Mrs. Sinha grow vegetables in the garden. So here please notice is, that is the doing words. Like this type of question will come. And also another things, if I am telling that, if I am telling Neha, number 1, Neha has, fill in the blanks, dash, hair. Number 1, sorry, Neha has, dash hair, not curly curly dash. Number 1, H-A-R-E. Number 2, H-A-I-R. Number 3, H-E-R-E. So please tell. H-A-I-R. Here. Next. Yes. Number 2. I like to hear a dash. Number 1, T-A-I-L. Number 2, T-A-L-E. Number 3, T-E-L-L. So please tell. You know that T-A-I-L means T-A-I-L. That means some organ of the animal. Body parts. T-A-L-E. That means story. T-E-L-L means speak. So T-A-L-E. I like to hear a tell. Not T-A-I-L beta. T-A-L-E. Yes. Orithro said, please T-A-L-E. Okay, T-A-L-E means story. So I think you have seen that. You have seen the syllabus also. And next another, if you are having any problem, please tell me that chapter I will revise. Okay. Another thing also, fill in the blanks if I am giving that. I can tell that B is home. B is home. Like this. Number 1, sty. Number 2, hive. Number 3, kennel. You know that? Okay, anybody, if I am telling everybody, I am not telling. Hive, H-I-V-E. V is hive. So all the chapter, please read thoroughly. Okay. So next. So if you are next, let me see who are in your class. অভিরূপ দত্তা, অভ্রনীল চৌধুরী, আদিত্য মণ্ডল, অদ্রিজা কোলে, আকৃতি কুণ্ডু, অলোকেন্দু বিশ্বাস, অনিক নন্দী, অনির্বাণ রয়, অর্ণরিণ্য পালিত, আংশদীপ চৌধুরী, আংশিকা পাঠক, অন্তরীপ দালাল, অরিত্র গাঙ্গুলি, অরিত্র গড়াই, অরিত্র শেঠ, আরিয়ান শেখ, অরুণাভ দাস, আরুষি সরকার. Okay, beta. Those who are having any problem, please write to my e-portal. Thank you. Have a nice day.